Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5094126 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to restart your PC. Do not ignore this step. Restart your computer, and after the system restart you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now on this website you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5094126 over here. The link is provided in the video description. Click on search. Now on this page you will see, now first of all, before you install the update from Update Catalog website, you can type in WINVER in Windows search box and then type in winver run command and open this winver, and here you can see version 25H2. So check your Windows version and then check your system type. Open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option. Over here you can see the system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on Now click on KB5094126, click on it and let the download complete. The download will take some time, and once the download is complete you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction. You can install this update manually and then restart your PC and then check. Still not working, you can reset Windows Update components. Now for this you can copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the commands till here and then open Notepad on your computer. So type in Notepad in Windows search box, click on Notepad, paste all the command over here and then go to file, click on save as. You can save it to desktop, name this file as wufix.bat and then click on save. Close this and then go to desktop. Here you can see wufix bat file. Make a right click and make sure that you run this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow and then let the process complete. First of all, it will stop all the Windows update services, and if you receive this prompt, do you want to continue this operation, type in Y for yes and then hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a couple of scans. Now there are multiple scans. The scan process will take some time. Once the scan is complete, it will start all the Windows update components. Once this is complete, once this is complete, you have to restart your computer. Restart is a must, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down. Here you can see recovery option, click on it. Fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, log into the computer and then you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop over here and then click on save. Let the download complete. Now this process will take some time. Once the download is complete, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next over here, click on accept over here. Here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.